What is inheritance? Inheritance means, here, let me give you a real life example. Your father, his father, and you yourself. So your father might have got something from your father, means his father, and you have got something from your father, that is, he is your father and you are his son. So you might be getting some belongings, some property, some money, or we'll say good wishes, you can say. So you are inheriting that kind of thing. So you don't have to work for that amount or that property which he has already given you. But if you want to earn more, that is up to your prerogative, right? So your father is your base class and you are a derived class here. For example, your father and his father, your grandfather. Your grandfather is the base class for your father, who is the say child class for your grandfather. Let me show it here. This is the animal base class. Animal can eat, animal can sleep. Every animal does that. Then you have a dog. So you have made a class which is derived from animal, and eat and sleep has already come here with a dog. But there is one more function you have added, that is called bark. So reusability has increased and dog has having now 3 functions: eat, sleep and bark. So this is the use and this is the benefit of inheritance. So inheritance is an object oriented paradigm, say support, or a very important aspect factor. This is the mechanism in which you can create a new class which is called as a child class or a derived class from the existing class which is called a parent class. This child class is also known as a derived class. Parent is also known as base class. See, the child is inheriting all the content of base, but base cannot inherit anything from the child. The reverse is not possible. So dog extends animal. Dog class, it extends animal. That is, the dog is inheriting the animal class. Or you can say animal is inherited. So it allows us to, that is, inheritance is allowing us to create a new class which is the derived class from the existing class, which is the base class. It is reusability. The derived class inherits the future from the features and the, say, data members and the functions which are public and protected from the base class, and can have additional features of its own, which you see here in the dog class, which is bar, additional feature. Okay. Now this is the base class. We have a print function. Then you made a derived class which is inheriting base. Okay. So both the functions are same here. This is also, I'm giving you an example of overriding and this, because it is not always that the function of the base class because already this is there with you, but you can write your own code for the same function also. Okay, so I'm just giving an example of function overriding. How do you make it? So you have to make, if you have to really call the derived class function print, then you have to make the base class print function as virtual.